Good morning, y'all. This morning I woke up a little bit early. Decided to work on my Toyota 87. Doing the interior today a little bit. It was a little punk, but finally got the seats out. Uh, Gonna do a little bit of cleaning. Tomorrow I'm gonna take the car to window tint and do some window tinting. Get these window tinted so it's just too see-through. People's gonna break in. So got the sofa out. Got it out. Did some cleaning on it. This interior right here. Little walk around. With the Osu Supra Silica rims on it. Van actually pretty low. Yesterday I got stuck. I was going to O'Reilly to return some spark plugs I didn't need to use no more, and got stuck in a steep driveway into the plaza. Had to rock the car with my body, step in the gas, hella burnout just to get it going. Alright, yesterday I installed the seat belt. I had no seat belt, so got that going so I could drive it around. Got the JDM Squash air freshener. You gotta have this. You gotta have that, Headlights. And then in my garage, I'm still working on this 67 Bug. Got one fender on. Still gotta get the other fender on. And then my 86 coupe right here. I got my little Honda Volvo right there. And then got my Volkswagen Jet out there, my truck, and my Yukon. All my little toys, But today I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna vacuum it a bit. And got some change right there. Yesterday I started this side here. A little bit this side. Got some of the mud off. Some dirt off right there. Yep. And for the walls right here, I'm probably gonna put some vinyl flooring on it to make it look cool. And then the maybe this might change it. Put some cool looking stuff on top with the liner. Alright, stay tuned. This is my 86 Toyota. I'll try to make my YouTube video more interesting as I get better at it. Making YouTube video is no joke. I give props to all the YouTube stars out there. They totally deserve what they got. Because making YouTube video is it's a full-time job. After you do your videos, and then you gotta like edit, plan for the next one, everything. I give them props. I'm gonna try as well. Signing out.